What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Venture Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see, I'm in an Infiniti G35, and today we're going to be doing a part 2 of the Vibrant Resonator Muffler Delete POV drive. Now, I made this a while ago, kind of like when I first got this set up, but I really want to draw people into buying this because this setup is the bang for your buck. So honestly, I just want to put more people on. And if I could do that by making another POV drive, I'm gonna do that. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Start it. It's not a cold start because I was already driving it. So I'll give y'all a couple of revs, man. Do the boys. Woo. Yeah, man. I'm gonna give y'all more revs down the line, but I just want to give y'all a sample, bro. Like, this is like, honestly, I'm telling you, man, like the best choice you can make if you're trying to like have an exhaust that sounds decent. To me, it sounds good. I love it. That's the reason why I'm trying to put y'all onto this, is because to me, this is like a good exhaust. Now, I don't know if it gains power, but it sounds good. Ooh. And I ain't gonna lie, I could say though that the drone is pretty loud inside the cabin. Just because this is a coupe and the exhaust is literally like right there, like right behind my back. So you're gonna definitely hear a drone with this exhaust, but it's not annoying. And if you play music, you won't even hear it, to be honest. And I have subwoofers too, so if I play the music, I ain't gonna hear it at all. So let's give it a little pull right here. Make sure the rollers. Man, this car is so fun, bro. This car is so fun. Oh my gosh. Like I keep on saying, bro, it's like not the fastest car, but bro, it's just so fun. I ain't gonna lie, it's just really fun. It's a fun car. And we finna tear these back streets up though. I ain't gonna lie. We finna go ahead and tear him up. Oh, it's a little tight right here. Okay. Tell me this is how you get on the freeway. I don't want to go on the freeway. I try to go the back road, cuz. Maybe this is to the back road. Okay. And that loud bang that y'all heard, that was actually the seats, because I have my seats down when I'm driving this car. So, dang, can I go this way? Looks like I'm gonna have to get on the freeway and I'm gonna have to get off. It's good though, it's good. Dang it, I thought this way was some little streets. Oh, look at this pothole right here. God, Lee, pothole's crazy. Look at this one right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we'll get back on the freeway. Getting ready for takeoff. Getting ready for takeoff. So fun. This car is so fun to drive, bro. Dang, I really thought, dang, okay. I thought that was a little back street. That's my fault, y'all. So it looks like we gotta go on the freeway a little bit, but it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. So another question you guys may ask me why this car is in front of me, how much did it cost to do all this? The muffler delete costs me 300 bucks. That's kind of high. Actually, it is high. I know some shops that do it for like 150, 100, but this shop I've been going to for a while, you know, they do all my exhaust work with the G37, so you know what, they always do a good job, so I didn't mind paying that $300. And to take the old resonator off and put the new one on costs about 80 bucks. I think it was 80 bucks, so 380 for the whole thing. So yeah, pretty much 380 for, like, you know, installation plus the vibrant resonator, which was about, I think they raised it up, but I think I paid like 65. I think right now it's like either 70 or 80 bucks for the vibrant resonator. And with the G35 from 03 to I believe 07, before they, you know, switch body styles for the sedan, all you need is one. All you need is one resonator. I believe though, like in the 08 model, if you have a G35, 2 resonators. G37, 2 resonators. But if you have the same one like me, G35 Coupe, or you know, the 03 through 07 sedan, all it needs is one resonator. That's it, just one resonator. I wouldn't advise you guys put the resonator on without the muffler delete, because I really don't think it's going to make a huge difference. You do this when you have the muffler delete, and it's going to make a big difference. Like when I had the muffler delete, it was popping, but it wasn't popping like this, and it didn't sound as good as this, like how the way it is right now. So definitely got to get this exhaust. I'm telling you guys are gonna absolutely love this exhaust, and it makes the car more fun to drive. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people may say, oh, it sounds like a trumpet and blah blah. Well, Infinitis, they kind of do sound like a trumpet, but to me, I love the trumpet noise. To me, this is like one of the best exhausts out there. You know what I'm saying? And this is just in my opinion. That's the reason why the exhaust is what really drew me into the car when I was young, because I always like listening to this sound. And now that I have it, of course I'm gonna try to spice it up a little bit. But yeah, if you guys are looking for like a budget exhaust, I definitely suggest you go ahead and get the Vibrant Resonator Muffler Delete. Trust me, you will like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, all of that. And I'm gonna pull over in just a second just to give y'all some revs. Actually, we're gonna do it right now. Alright, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely go buy the Vibrant Resonator Muffler Delete. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The car sounds really, really good, and trust me, you will not regret it. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.